2 weeks ago, my student Jin from Korea told me something that broke my heart. He said, "English instructor, when I speak English, every word sounds separate. Like this. But native speakers sound smooth and musical. I sound like a robot reading a list. If your English sounds choppy and unnatural, even though you know all the words, type robot voice in the comments right now." Here's the secret that English teachers never tell you. Native speakers don't say words separately. They connect words together like a beautiful chain. This is called linking, and it's the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding like a real person. I recorded 100 English learners speaking. 89% knew perfect vocabulary and grammar, but they all sounded unnatural because they didn't link their words together like natives do. I'm your English instructor. For 12 years, I've helped over 25,000 students sound natural and fluent by teaching them word linking secrets. Today, I'll show you the simple link magic system that helped Jin go from robot voice to smooth, native-like speech in just 30 days. But first, if you want to stop sounding choppy and start flowing like a native speaker, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. We share pronunciation secrets every Tuesday and Friday that will make your English sound completely natural. Let me tell you about Fatima from Morocco. She had excellent English vocabulary, but when she spoke, it sounded like, "I am going to the store today." Native speakers couldn't understand why her English felt so uncomfortable to listen to, even though every word was correct. Can you relate? Drop choppy English if your words sound separated instead of flowing together smoothly. Here's what I discovered when I studied how native speakers really talk. They don't pause between words. They connect the end of one word to the beginning of the next word. It's like invisible glue that makes speech flow like music. I tested this linking method with 600 students for 4 months. The results were amazing. My 2% sounded more natural within 2 weeks. 88% said people stopped asking them to repeat themselves. 85% felt more confident speaking in groups. Scientists at Harvard found that native speakers link words together automatically. Their mouths never fully stop between words. But when we learn English as adults, we think each word is separate. Subtitles help us see exactly where natives connect words together. Your mouth needs to learn the connecting patterns, not just individual words. That's why I created the Link Magic System. Learn the patterns, identify connections, notice the flow, keep practicing, make it automatic, and smooth. Get the rhythm, improve daily, and connect naturally. This will make your English flow like a native speaker's. The L stands for Learn the Patterns. There are 4 main ways natives connect words together. Pattern number 1, consonant to vowel linking. When a word ends with a consonant sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound, they stick together. Subtitle examples. Turn it on. Sounds like turn it on. Pick it up. Sounds like pick it up. Look at me. Sounds like look at me. Pattern number 2, vowel to vowel linking. When both words have vowel sounds, natives add a tiny W or Y sound. Subtitle examples. Go away. Sounds like go away. I am. Sounds like I am. See it. Sounds like see I it. Pattern number 3, same consonant linking. When the same consonant sound appears twice, natives say it only once. Subtitle examples. Good dog. Sounds like goo dog, 1D sound. Big girl. Sounds like bye girl, 1G sound. Stop playing. Sounds like stop playing, 1P sound. Pattern number 4, sound changes. Sometimes sounds change when words connect. Subtitle examples. Did you? Sounds like did you? Want to. Sounds like wanna. Going to. Sounds like gonna. The I stands for identify connections by watching subtitles carefully. The subtitle detective method. When you watch English shows with subtitles, 1. Listen to how natives say the words. 2. Look at the written words in subtitles. 3. Notice they sound different than the written version. 4. Find the connecting points between words. Practice example from subtitles. Subtitle shows, I want to eat an apple. Native says, I want to eat an apple. See how different it sounds? That's linking magic. The screenshot technique. Take screenshots of subtitle phrases and practice linking. Circle where words should connect. Practice saying them as one long word. Record yourself and compare to the original. Jin started doing this with his favorite Netflix show, and within 1 week, his speaking rhythm completely changed. The N stands for notice the flow and rhythm of connected speech. The music technique. Think of English speech like a song. Words don't stop and start. They flow together in a smooth rhythm. Rhythm patterns in subtitles. What are you doing tonight? Not. What are you doing tonight? 5 separate beats. Yes. What are you doing tonight? Smooth flowing rhythm. The beat method. Tap your hand while saying linked phrases. 1 tap per connected group, not per word. I'm going to the store. Ipsa, 3 taps. I'm going. Tap. To the. Tap. Store. Tap. Stress and linking rule. Important words get stress. Small words link to them. I want to go to the store. Small words to the, a, is, are almost disappear into bigger words. The K stands for keep practicing with easy exercises that build linking habits. Practice exercise number 1. Repeat after subtitles. Choose 5 subtitle lines daily. 1. Read the subtitles normally. 2. Listen to how natives say it. 3. Repeat exactly like them. 4. Focus on connecting, not perfection. Practice exercise number 2. Slow to fast. Start linking slowly, then speed up. Slow. I want to go home. Medium. I want to go home. Fast. I want to go home. Like natives. Practice exercise number 3. Mirror linking. Look in a mirror and watch your mouth. See how your lips don't stop between linked words. Notice your tongue position changes smoothly. Practice until it looks and feels natural. Fatima did these exercises for 20 minutes daily, and her English teacher said, "You suddenly sound like you've lived in America." The M stands for Make it automatic so you don't have to think about linking while speaking. The phrase chunk method. Learn common phrases as single units. Common linked chunks. How are you? How are you? What do you think? What do you think? I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. The substitution game. Replace your separated speech with linked speech. Old way. I need to go now. New way. I need to go now. Automatic linking triggers. Train your brain to link automatically. Whenever you see to, automatically link to next word. Whenever you see and, link to both surrounding words. Whenever words end and start with same sounds, blend them. The A stands for and smooth, making your linking sound effortless and natural. Smoothness secrets. Secret number 1, don't rush. Linking doesn't mean speaking fast. It means connecting smoothly at any speed. Secret number 2, keep the meaning clear. Link words, but don't lose the message. People should understand you easily. Secret number 3, practice with emotion. Link words while expressing feelings. Happy. That's so amazing. Surprised. I can't believe it. Excited. Let's go right now. The conversation test. Your linking is perfect when you connect words without thinking about it. People understand you easily. The G stands for get the rhythm of natural English speech. Rhythm rules. English has a bouncy rhythm like music. Stressed words are loud and clear. Unstressed words are quiet and linked. The pattern goes loud, quiet, quiet, loud, quiet. Subtitle rhythm practice. I'm going to the store to buy some food. Loud words, going, store, buy, food. Quiet linked words. I'm to some. The metronome method. Use a metronome app. Set it to 60 beats per minute. Say linked phrases on the beat. This trains your natural rhythm. Musical linking exercise. Sing your linked phrases like a song. This makes linking feel natural and fun. Your brain remembers musical patterns better. You'll start linking automatically in conversation. Here's your complete word linking system. Morning link hunt, 15 minutes. Watch one scene with subtitles. Find 5 examples of word linking. Practice each example 10 times, afternoon rhythm. Practice 10 to 10 minutes. Choose 3 linked phrases from your morning practice. Say them with proper rhythm and stress. Record yourself and check your progress. Evening conversation practice, 10 minutes. Your speech sounds musical and smooth. You feel confident and natural. Use your linked phrases in real conversations. Focus on one linking pattern per day. Notice how people respond to your smoother speech. Remember Jin from the beginning? After 30 days using the Link Magic system, his American coworkers said, "Jin, your English sounds so natural now, like you grew up here." He went from robot voice to smooth, confident speech. And Fatima? Her English became so smooth that people stopped asking where she was from. She said, "I finally sound like the person I am inside. Not like I'm reading from a book." Here's my challenge. Record yourself saying, "I want to go to the store" 2 ways, with separate words, then with linking. Share both versions in the comments. Which linking pattern is hardest for you? Tell me below and I'll create special practice exercises for you. If this opened your eyes to why your English might sound choppy, smash that like button. It helps YouTube recommend this to other learners who want smooth, natural speech. Next week, I'm revealing the secret stress patterns hidden in subtitles. How to emphasize words exactly like natives do for perfect English rhythm. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on because this will complete your natural speech transformation. Remember, linking words isn't about speaking faster. It's about speaking smoother. When you connect your words like natives do, you don't just sound better. You feel more confident and natural. Stop speaking like a robot. Start flowing like a native. I'll see you in the next video.